Have you been injured in a fall accident in Florida? You're really not sure what you ought to do next? In the next minute, I'm going to talk to you about a simple consumer guide I've written that will actually tell you those things. If you've been injured in a fall, whether it happened in a big box store, at your neighbor's house, or at a public place, your life has changed. And whether you understand it or not, you're going to have to be contending with an insurance company or a very sophisticated person with a company defending your claim. And they've got one goal in mind, and that is to make sure they pay you the absolute minimum they can pay you to get your case settled. And believe me, this is not their first dance. They know what they're doing, but it probably is your first dance. And I'm sure you don't have a strategy because it's never been something that you've ever been forced to think about. I think that you obviously are looking for direction. You've got questions on your mind. You're here looking at this video on my site. I assume you haven't made a decision to hire a lawyer, and you're looking for direction. And I want to give it to you. I've written this very simple, easy to read guide that's going to point out the things that you need to do and understand in order to successfully navigate this process. Now, every insurance company has things that they would love for you to do. And there are definitely things that if you do them will help your case, and there's definitely things if you do them will hurt your case. I'd like for you to know the difference, especially if you have not hired a lawyer and you still need this information. I've talked to countless people who've said, if I'd only had this before I did A, B, C, or D, it would have changed the outcome and I wouldn't be calling you now after the fact. So I don't want this to happen to anybody else. I make this available. Get your copy today, read it, understand what you need to do and what you need to avoid.